Hello everyone. I'm science teacher in Pratishtha Learning Center, Lotus Petal Foundation. Today I'm going to discuss about global warming. What is global warming? An average increase in temperature of the atmosphere near the Earth's surface and in the troposphere, which can contribute to changes in global climate patterns. As a result of enhanced greenhouse effect, increase in the Earth's mean temperature. What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected to space and rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. The major greenhouse gases responsible for global warming are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. When the amount of these gases is increased in the atmosphere, they trap more solar energy, due to which the temperature of the Earth also increases. Now, what are the effects of global warming? Serve changes in weather. Global warming is increasing the frequency and intensity of some type of extreme weather, that is, rise in temperature is marked in many parts of the world. The irony of this global warming is that while it could reduce climate changes by drying up rains, it could also rise sea levels with disastrous consequences for islands and low-level coastal areas. Impact on Arctic ecosystem. The ecosystem which sustains the livelihood of Arctic residents is melting the ice as temperature rise. The layer of permafrost is melting, causing an inland lake to drain into the ocean and killing freshwater fish. More storms, floods, droughts, submergence of islands. Global warming increase the rate of evaporation, which is the total evaporation of water from soil, plants and water bodies. This can have a direct effect on the frequency and intensity of droughts. Warmer atmosphere can hold more water vapor. The atmosphere now holds 4% more water vapor than it did 40 years ago as a result of increasing temperatures. This increases the risk of extreme rainfall events. Scientists have warned that a warmer world will mean more storms, floods, droughts, and snowfalls. Next, impact on ozone getting depleted. Due to these emissions, the ozone layer that provide a protective shield over the earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation is getting depleted. Now what can we do? Use of alternate energy sources, that is wind energy, solar energy, hydroelectric energy, geothermal and nuclear energy. Recycle, reduce and reuse. Reduce waste by choosing usable products instead of disposables. Buy products with minimal packaging. Recycle paper, plastic, newspaper, glass and aluminium cans. By recycling half of your household waste, you can save 1088 kg of carbon dioxide every year. Human-caused global warming can be prevented by less use of air conditioner, less burning of fossil fuels, using public transportation, use of renewable source of energy, and more plantation of trees. Now conclusion. Take a ride on green side, that is, to prevent Earth from becoming a barren planet with no life. We must find sustainable and economical ways to save our Mother Earth from this crisis. Thank you.